Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this video, I will to explain all about one city on the Madura Island, namely Pamekasan City. Pamekasan Regency was born from a long historical process. The term Pamekasan itself was only known in the third half of the 16th century when Ronggo Sukowati began to move the center of government from the Keraton Daja to the Keraton Mandilaras. It is not enough written evidence which mentions the process of moving the center of government so that it occurs change the name of this region. Likewise, the emergence of the historical of government in Pamekasan, it is very rare to find written evidence, let alone inscription, explain when and how it existed. Writings who then began to introduce the story of this Pamekasan government, at first written mostly by Dutch writers and then started translated or rewritten by Madura historians such as Zainal Fatah or Abdurrahman. The emergence of this history of Pamekasan local government is estimated to be new known since the mid-5th century, based on historical sources about the birth of the myth or legend of Aryamena Sunoyo, who started to pioneer local government in the Propo or Parupuh areas. Long before the emergence, according to this legend, the existence of Pamekasan is not much talked about. Estimate Pamekasan is part of the Madura's government in Sumenep, which has been established since the appointment of Arya Wiraraja on October 31, 1268 by Kertanegara. The period of enlightenment of Pamekasan's local history began to unfold around the second half of the 16th century, when Mataram's influence began to enter Maduras. After Ronggo Sukowati began to reform government and development in its territory. This is reinforced by the construction of a talisman road, namely a walk in the Pamekasan Town Square and the construction of the Pamekasan Jami Mosque. The unfolding of the history of government in Pamekasan is getting a bright spot. After the success of the Mataram attack on Madurais and a pioneering local government under Mataram supervision, the Association of Pamekasan figures at the national level both individually or through political parties that emerged at that time. Coupled with historical events surrounding the preparation for independence, which was the followed by tragedies during the occupation, Japan turned out to be able to encourage the stronger awareness of the characters Pamekasan on the importance of the unitary state of the Republic Indonesia, which then that most of the Madurais, including Pamekasan, do not can achieve the information of the state of Madurais, and one of the effort that's colonial government to divide the unity and integrity nation. As the first king of Pamekasan to be Muslim, Ronggo Sukowati built many buildings characterized by Islam. He built the king's mosque, which until now has developed into a mosque modern and magnificent mosque. This Middle Eastern style mosque building named the Great Asi Suhada Mosque. It has beautified the city of Pamekasan. In front of the mosque, Ronggo Sukowati built a city garden in which paths were made transversely and scattered in various directions, which in turn in his time the road was called the Sejimat Road. The Sujimat way considered as resembling Allah word, so named because everything is the prayer of King Rangusewati, so that the people of Pamekasan are always in the way of Allah. The strike path, Siratal Mustaqim. Rangusewati is the king of Pamekasan, Majapahit descent, as well as the first king of Pamekasan who was Muslim. Saying things, it is appropriate to respect to his position from both sides call it. In other words, the direction of the target of accelerating the flow to become Pamekasan is appropriate adapted to the festival of Palguna image, as well as harmonizing the materials with Brett's religion, which Pamekasan has pledged as a region Gerbang Salam in Madures. Karapan sapi is the mainstay of tourism that many bring in foreign tourists and domestic tourists, as the annual tradition of the bull race has received high attention from the community Madures because of the bull race tradition that has been passed down from generation to generation, which is said to have started in the 5th century, 1561 AD, was spearheaded by Prince Katadur in welcoming this cultural event, which was intended by a number of traditional performing arts events which are directly held in Pamekasan Regency is the area of Bakorwil, Madura. This culture has its own characteristic because it is rarely found in the areas other than in Madures, especially in Pamekasan Regency. Besides this tradition already ingrained in the midst of the people of Pamekasan, because held every year at a certain moment combined with a series of events present in the show. From year to year, this tradition will never be spared and liked by most people in Indonesian Pamekasan Regency. However, gradually the established tradition is shattered adorn the joy of life. The following food in Pamekasan: first, sate lalat, sate cut into small pieces. Second, campur locu. Third, kaldu pokot. Fourth, nasi cecer, rice in which there are many side dishes. 5. Keripik tete, cassava which is flattened and dried. Characteristic of traditional dance in Pamekasan: Getak Mas dance. This traditional dance is a reflection of the Raja Baladewa movement with a strong, rigid, open-minded, and strike-minded character in revealing every problem, which is also the character of Madures in general. 2. Ronding dance is a type of traditional dance that is typical of the region that is found and comes from Pamekasan Regency. This dance has several names. Besides the name ronding, it is also known as baris and kecak. This dance tells of the Dutch troops who were practicing marching during the colonial period. The following tourist attraction in Pamekasan: first, Transmalong Village Hill. Second, Cumiang Beach. Third, Mangunan Swamp. Fourth, Waru Cliff. Fifth, Bulangan Waterfall. The following are historical places in Pamekasan. First, Rangusewati's grave. 2. The fire never goes out. 3. Arelancur Monument, which is called the symbol of the city of Pamekasan. Okay, thank you for watching.